Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. I am OT Josh. In this video I want to be trading based on the change in polarity. So we'll be using the change in polarity to take our trade. Change of polarity refers to a kind of support and resistance that is formed when a minor support changes into a major resistance. Before we do that, I'm going to show you some examples. Okay, so I see an example whereby I can do a call trade now. So I'll wait and I'll tell you why I'm doing that call trade. If it gets to, let me quickly draw it because I've seen it. Yeah, I'm seeing this candlestick, the wick of this candlestick and the wick of this candle. So you have a support here, sorry, a resistance here. It broke, it came back here. Now a support. You can see it's now a support. What's going on? Okay, oh, it's too, I don't know, my network is kind of slow, or I don't know if it's from the broker. But anyway, um I think you get the point. So this is a downtrend. You see, this is a downtrend. So it will be best with going to the trade in the downward direction. And normally, when you have this flat 200 EMA, it usually drags price down. So I'm getting ready to do this. I don't need anything more. I'm doing the puts. Why am I doing the put? Because you can see it has broken this resistance. It has broken this level. This candlestick broke it, so price is just opening exactly there. You don't need it to go back up, just go into the trend. In case you don't understand what I'm doing, let me show you. When you have price going down, up, now price has formed this level here, it went up, so you mark this level. This may be the body, this may be the lower wick going back. When you mark it, you wait for price to come back, touch that same level with the body, the closing price or the wick, and then goes down. So if it comes back again, it now, you see, this support has now become a resistance here. That's just basically how it goes. So we are going down again. You see there is a wick here. Okay, okay, there is a wick there, so I will take this candlestick now and put it there. You see, I've taken, this is the wick, but you see how this candle is closing just like a fake breakout. This candlestick is breaking this wick, but you see the break is very weak, so it's not something we should rely on. But at the same time, if you look, so I think this is just a reversal happening. I don't know yet. So I think this is a reversal. This is not a change in polarity. But at the same time, I can do a call. Okay, I don't know if it closes like this, so I'll definitely do a call trade. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see, and I'll tell you why I'm doing a call, because from here I can see I can see the resistance here, and now okay, if it goes down to this level now, when it touches the level, I need it to touch the level. Oh, I need it to touch the level. It's not touching, and if it's not touching, I won't trade. But now I think I will do a put here. Why? Because I'm seeing this one here. I'm seeing this level here. This is a support, right? This one broke. This one broke. And now look here, it's a resistance here. So I'm doing a put trade there. So this is just how it is. Um, see how we can do this trade quickly. Okay, yes. So since it's like this, you remember I'm still waiting for this level so that I can do, yes. I was supposed, this trade now, this call put trade I did, I was saying I want this candlestick, this particular candlestick, now I want it to come down. I want it to come down so that I can do a call, but it didn't. It went up to this level here, and I did the put. So now it has come down here. So I'm doing the call now. So let's see how it goes. Well, I didn't get a good entry point. I should have done it exactly at this level. But anyways, let's just wait and see. Done it at this level here. So you see, maybe I'm going to win this since it's an OTC, or I'm going to lose it. Okay, obviously I'm losing it. Okay, but as you can see, you get the point. This now has shown, you see, has shown that this level is working. I don't want to do more trades, but you get the point. This is how the change in polarity work. I'll try as much as possible to do more of this. The market at this time is really not favorable to trade. That's why I had to switch to the OTC market. Everything is somehow. So if this is your first time here, please do it to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And if you want to get the ebook, you can contact me with the link in the description of this video and you can get the ebook. So until next time, take care and bye bye.